Hey, we have had a oh hey Bailey. We have had a super hectic, almost a month, where we've just been working on our music. We've had gigs. We've been working on a ton of stuff at home, and we also have an original song called "Powering Pain." That'll be coming out, I think, next week. Very excited about that. But we've just had the craziest, busiest month ever, and we have not been able to take care of our garden as much as we would like to. So please ignore the weeds. Nothing we can do about it. But we do have a crazy harvest coming up. So we've got a couple beets here. Can't beat this. They look great. Massive, massive beets. I think I'm not gonna put these in the bowl because they're really big. I got other stuff. So we got 2 beets here. And we just got so much stuff growing in the garden. Intended and not intended. Over here we've got our tomato bed, and it's wild. It's wild. We had been keeping it so well too until this month. But we got so many tomatoes. Ooh, these. So the Romas are doing really well. I can smell hornworms. But they look great. Bailey. Did get a couple hornworms to take the tomatoes. She's not gonna eat them immediately. She'll find them eventually though. But yeah, we got a good amount of tomatoes. I'm just going with what I can see. Might have to come back through here later. A couple over here. Hey, why do they just take one bite and then leave it and move on to the next one? Just pick one tomato. Alright. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Talk about wasting food. If you're gonna eat one, eat all of it. I'm gonna have to come back around later for the rest of the tomatoes. But there are a ton of them. Over here we've got our cucumber plant up in the trellis. And that works surprisingly much better than I thought it would. Like I knew it would do well, but just like super well. We've got some massive cucumbers back here. Let me grab one. Some giant cucumbers. Look at this. This is a funny shape. Oh, here's a good one. Ow. They're prickly. If you have cucumbers, they're prickly. I had a ton of them on me. Look at that. That's a beautiful cucumber. We have a cucumber and beet salad. We can grab a couple more. I'm gonna pick all of them. This Kayla can use some of these for the cucumber lemonade. This is the pepper bed, and we got. So this is where we grow our Melrose. Those are Italian peppers, and we usually pick them before they're this big, but they're still really good. I don't know if we pick them like that because we're supposed to pick them like that, or if we're just impatient and we really like Melrose. But that's how we usually pick them. Some of them are going red, which, still edible. Doesn't really change the flavor any. So, oh, that one's bad. And then this, I think, is the honeydew melon, and it's growing really well. But down here, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So very excited about that, and very excited about that because we do love our melons. Ooh, oh look at this. Our garlic went wild. We were supposed to pick the scapes right before this month started, and completely on me, I totally forgot to do it. So they all went to seed. Garlic's ruined, but we have a ton of garlic seeds. So we're gonna come back and collect this later on. And we get to try garlic from seed. We usually just grow it from the cloves. But I did try it. The seeds, they look like mini garlic cloves, and they do taste like mini garlic cloves. So that's cool. We had so many different varieties of spinach, lettuce. And we tried all of them. And one of them, I think it was the Simmons, was a very interesting flavor. Mixed well with the butter crunch, I think it was good. But just by itself, it was very dense. But we do have some buttercrunch. We might try to salvage that, but it might be really hard. Overall, we've had a very positive reaction to sugar snap peas, not just in our family, but online too. We've seen a ton of people online who are just like, these are so good to just pick them and snack on them. I think they're pretty good. Bunky adores them, so I'm not gonna eat any of these, and I'm gonna give them all to Bunky. Kayla too, probably. These are a little bit big. This one we might have to just seed, because I don't think they're supposed to get that big. And then these will have to be seed. You can grab those too. Dry them out. Who doesn't like some sugar snap peas? Oh no, I broke it. It's fine. So we're over in the survival seeds garden. Things are doing crazy well, but also very overgrown, like I said, because we've had a crazy month. Kidney beans are doing really good. Hi, Clara. Kidney beans are doing really good. They grew really well, and we got the beans, and we can probably come and harvest those soon. Over there's the pie pumpkins. No pumpkins yet. Still very small. So hopefully those end up doing pretty well. We will see. That is, I think, the peppers. I believe that is the peppers. I don't. Oh, that's the beets. The beets are still very small, but they're doing very well. So pretty encouraged that those will end up getting pretty big if they have the time. One tomato plant, looks like the birds got at it, but hey, we've got a green tomato on there. One singular green tomato. So we'll see how that goes. We might have to put a net around it to protect it, just so that we can. Oh my gosh, I did not see this before. Look at this. Look. Look, a baby corn. Look at it. Oh, it's so small. Oh my gosh, I did not see that before. That is very promising. That's on the one that's gone up here, so hopefully this one's going there too. So hopefully, we're fingers crossed that that'll go well. And then the onions look great. Very excited about the onions. The onions are probably doing the best. So very promising year.
Louder, say that again, louder.
Very promising year. We're hoping that everything goes well and that things keep growing. We had rain, which was very good. So yeah, feeling very excited about it.
Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested.